Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Happiness and Lifestyle and I'm Hema. And I am bringing another haul or unboxing of a wallet. So this is one of my wallet that I got from Dillard's again. But I actually have removed the tag. I got two of these actually. I gave one for my friend as a present on her birthday. It was the same one. I got two same ones, black wallets, and I actually gave one on her birthday for her. And this is the one I kept. So I've already removed the tag, though I haven't used it, but the tag was kind of just like, inside, that just put a like tag inside when I went. So this also I got it on sale. Now I didn't remember the name of this, that's why. So I had to Google and I got the name because I found somewhere on Mercari website they have the same one here for 50. I think somebody is selling it. I guess that's a used one or something, but they're selling it for 50. So I remember getting this almost that same price or little lower than that because I got it on sale at Dillard's. So this is called the Michael Kors Flap Card Holder Mini Wallet. It's the mini one and it is the Flap Card Holder Mini Wallet. So it's a leather wallet, and let me now show you guys how it looks. It's pretty cute. I still haven't tried it on, tried using it yet, but I'm going to use it now because I use my, you guys have seen my card holder, the fossil one, and that's been working so good for me because I can put so much cards in it. So I've kind of got used to using that, but I think I need to give this a try. So there it is. So that's how it looks here. It's written Michael Kors. It's a black color. And here in the back you'll see it has a zip pocket here in the back, and it's written Michael Kors on that, and you can keep like receipts and like kind of stuff in that here. And then on the inside, so this is how, and then it just opens up like a regular wallet, and inside here you can keep cards, and this side you have actually card holder space inside too. There's like a part here. It has two of the partitions here for cards and some heavy stuff you can keep. And then here again the card holder spaces. So it has like 1, 2, 3 here, and then two spaces inside for holding cards. So total 5. And then here if you see closely, it's written in on the leather itself. Here it says Michael Kors. Yeah, it says Michael Kors right there. It's written Michael Kors, and it's pretty soft, but it's not like the pebble leather. It's the Saffiano leather, but you can see that it's pretty soft. If you buy these kind of stuff in like outlets and all, you will see the difference. You will see that the Saffiano leather quality is also very different when you buy in an outlet store. It will be pretty rigid and hard, or it will be like the canvas material, right? So if it is leather, but it will be pretty rigid. Even the Saffiano, I think there are different qualities, I feel, because the quality that you see in outlets is not going to be that good. That Saffiano is really hard, but this is like soft, not like as soft as the pebble leather, but it's like much more flexible. Like, when you put cards and all, you want a little bit of that flexibility. So that's why I liked it. So you can kind of see that you can it bends like it easily. So that's all really. And on this side you have this, you can keep your ID card here, and then another slot here to keep stuff, and then here you can keep money or whatever you prefer to keep that. And this is what I was talking about in one of my previous videos about the outlet and retail, right? So this again I got it from Dillard's, and so this is a retail wallet, and this is what I was talking about. Every retail bag I've seen inside, if there is that MK, it'll be written MK, initials MK, and the way it is spaced also, you will kind of know the quality when you look at it, the way it is spaced. So here, this one inside, that's how the material is, that's how it's written, the MK. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the same way it's written here also actually. Like through the plastic, if you are able to see, inside it says MK, like very close to each other. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I have lost sunlight here, so I can't really show you how it looks inside here, but that's how the fabric is inside that. So that is what I meant, but I may be wrong, because the other one of the wristlets that I showed you guys also is from Dillard's, so it is a retail bag. If I see it's like code and everything, it is a retail bag, but again, I may be wrong also, I don't know, because it starts with a 3-2. I don't know if 3-2 is a retail or a factory, I don't know. I'm still like confused with that, but I did get that at Dillard's, so I was considering it as a retail bag. But only thing I saw the difference in that was the fabric had that the whole Michael Kors written, which is usually in a outlet bag. So I was a little confused with that. If somebody knows, they can like just comment below, let me know if that is definitely some distinction for outlet and retail or not. But all the time I've seen when it is just M and K initials and close together, or with a design, whatever, like a diamond kind of design, like a rhombus design, those are usually always the retail bags. So this has that, but the other one didn't have that inside the fabric. So anyway, so that's how it looks. And then it has this button here that you can close. It's not magnetic, it is just this press button, not magnetic. So your cards will be kind of safe when you keep all the cards here and all, they'll be kind of safe when you close that like that. So it's pretty good. And here, I don't know if you can fit cards also, but you may have to kind of maneuver them like that and put it, because here like it doesn't go like all the way there, you'll get less space. But you can, this thing here, see that, that's much space here, so you can actually try to put even cards here. So that's it guys, just wanted to share this before I use it again. So this is the Michael Kors, what was it again, I forgot what I said. Just Michael Kors wallet. What wallet was it? Yeah, flap card, since it has the flap thing. Flap card holder mini wallet. So that is what it is, just plain black, and I liked it because it's just black, just plain black, and I can use it like with anything. Even my fossil one, I can just throw it in any bag. So the same way, black kind of, you can use it with any bag. So I liked it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are a new someone new who have come on my channel. Then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will have some nice giveaway coming up when I reach 1000, and I've been adding to the stuff that I had showed you guys before. There's a brush set, then I don't know what else I had added to that, I forgot. I need to look back into my old videos, and I'm also going to add something that you're really going to love. Please subscribe to my channel now, so that when I reach 1000, you can also be a part of that giveaway. Thank you so much guys, love you all, take care.